Hey, Bob Deeks here with RDC Fine Homes up at our newest build in Emerald Estates in beautiful British Columbia. As you can see, foundation poured last Thursday. Boys are just finishing stripping it off. And what I wanted to detail today was our waterproofing strategies for our NUDURA insulated concrete form foundation here. You can see the NUDURA peel and stick has been applied to the outside of the forms. And if you look closely right down at the bottom there, you'll see the plastic fast foot bag footing that we used as our footing assembly is lapped underneath our peel and stick. And what this does is it creates a nice waterproof assembly so we don't get any moisture wick up through our foundation into our wood framing components. And then to finish the whole thing off, we've got the Delta MS Drainboard here, and that prevents any hydrostatic pressure buildup against the foundation and further inhibits any moisture getting into the basement. And this is what creates that nice dry smelling basement for the life of this house. And I'm sure we all remember growing up in those houses that the damp, musty smelling basements, and this is what keeps the basement nice and dry and clean smelling. Big shout out to the crew at RDC for the damp proofing, and Mountain Build Contracting here for doing all the form work. Stay tuned. We are about 2 weeks out from assembling our prefabbed walls, floors, and roof.